as you can see, this kind of thing, we want to reduce the stress of going through what we call forms. We want to do imputing data, that is data entry with forms in Excel. That is what we want to do. So instead of you guys typing all this one after the other, typing 40, there's another easy way that we can do, which is what we call forms. How do we do that? So we'll be doing the same thing here in our sheet 2. How do you insert new sheet? You come to your plus sign here, under it here. You come to your plus sign here, and that is where you see your sheet 2. So that's what we want to do now. We will be inserting another sheet so that we can use that. Good. So we are using the same thing we have here: serial number, product, product price, quantity sold, and region. So let me just type it. Let me type it in. So you have serial number. I think next one we have products. We have quantity sold. Let me check again. We have serial number, product. Okay, product price, quantity sold, and region. Product price, quantity sold, and region. Product. Let me just say price, quantity sold, and region. Now you know what we are going to do. If you want to auto everything, that is, you want everything to be aligned, you highlight, you click on this, you press Ctrl A, this will highlight, then you come to your formats, autofill column width. So now we already have this. Now what do we now want to do? We want to start inserting 40 rows. Instead of inserting 40 rows, by typing one after the other, the best way is using forms. How do we do that? You highlight your columns first. So after highlighting your columns, you come under your quick access toolbar here. You will see, after highlighting your columns, you highlight, then you come in your quick access toolbar here. On top, you will see that quick access. There's a button where you have this symbol, a save symbol. So you'll see a button on top. You click on that button. You can see a list of items are open. So you click on more commands. So when you click on more commands, you will see this what's it called, Windows button. Also this Windows opened. So under this, you will see choose command from. Make sure you're on quick access to. So choose command from. You click on it. You look for all commands. You click on all commands.
We cannot see your drop down.
Oh, sorry. Let me pick it again. I'll pick it again. I think, let me share my entire screen so that you can see. I will share my entire screen now so that you can see everything. So can you see now? Can you see the drop down? Can you see the drop down now?
Yes.
Good. So when you click on your quick access, that quick access bar is on top. You will see those buttons, like where you have your headings. You will see those. You just click on the arrow beside. You will see this drop down. Then you click on more commands. So when you click on more commands, you come to choose command from. You click on it. You look for all commands. Then you click on all commands. So you wait for it to load all commands. You wait for it to load all commands. So this is all commands. So after clicking your all commands, you scroll down to look for forms. CDEF, forms. You look for forms. Okay, good. I think this is form. You can see form. This is form. Then you click on add. And after clicking on add, you press OK. So you wait for it. It has been added already. This is it. This is it here. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm clicking on here? Can you see it, everybody? Can you see this thing? You see it?
Yes.
It has been added.
Yes,
so you now click on it. So when you click on it, you say cannot determine which row, just press OK. So now you can see something. When I press OK, what do you see here? It already has serial number, product price, quantity sold, region. It's not that I just started in. So If I start writing now, serial number, you just type 1. You use your tab key to move to the next place. Product, let's say Melo. You use your tab key to move. Let's say Melo product. Price, let's say 2,000. Use your tab key to move to the next place. Quantity sold, let's say quantity sold, we have 4. Region, West. So when you're done, just press enter. What can you see? Automatically, you will see it being inserted. You type again the next one, 2. Can you see? So if I type anything inside, it will surely, if I start pressing now, serial number, let's say I have 3. Products, again, I have products, I have, let's say, sugar, for example. I have my price, I have 200. Quantity sold, let's say 10. Region, North. If I press enter, can you see? So this is easiest way of what? Of inserting your data in your columns using forms without you imputing one after the other. Is that clear? So you can see we can insert everything we want using our forms. It's just very easy. You click on your forms, you input, you start imputing what you want to input there. You press, you press everything you want to do, and with that, you are good to go. So is that clear? So let's say, for example, you want to delete the ones you input. This is number 1. If I press find next, this is number 2. If I want to delete it, I'll just press delete. Okay, you can see it has been deleted. This one, if I want to change this one back, I'll just press 2. I will just, pressing 2, I press my enter. It has been inserted. So that is the easiest way to write in your form. So with this, it will be easier for you to type anything you want to type. You can write 100. You can input 100. So it won't be like you are the one moving around again. So you are just using forms to enter your data with ease using forms. Is there any question? Is there any question on that?